In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet crucial topic: how to identify your graphics card model. Whether you're looking to upgrade, troubleshoot performance issues, or check compatibility for games and software, knowing your graphics card model is key. So let's explore the different ways to find out what GPU you have. First up, we have one of the simplest methods, using the device manager. Here's how you can check it. Right-click on the Start menu or press Windows + X to open the Quick Access menu. Select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section. Here, you'll see your graphics card listed. Mine shows an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. This method works for both integrated and dedicated GPUs, and it's fast if you just need a quick glance at your card's model. Next, we're going to use the built-in System Information tool. This gives a more detailed overview of your system. Press Windows + R to open the Run dialog. Type MSInfo32 and hit Enter. In the System Information window, go to Components. Click on Display on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find not only your graphics card model, but also detailed info such as the driver version and the memory available on the card. This is super handy if you're dealing with driver-related issues. Another method is using the DirectX Diagnostic tool, which can also provide information about your GPU. Here's how to do it. Press Windows + R to open the Run dialog. Type DXDIAG and hit Enter. Once the tool opens, go to the Display tab. This tab will show you the graphics card's name, manufacturer, and driver details. It's an excellent option if you're trying to troubleshoot game performance or other DirectX-related issues. If you're on Windows 10 or 11, the Task Manager can also give you a quick look at your GPU. First, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl + Shift + Escape to open it directly. Click on the Performance tab. On the left sidebar, click GPU. Here, you'll see real-time performance data and the name of your GPU at the top. It's great if you want to monitor your graphics card's performance while gaming or doing other intensive tasks. Lastly, we're going to access the display settings where we can find our graphics card information. To start, simply right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Display Settings from the menu. Next, we need to go a bit deeper into the settings to view which GPU is currently being used by your system. Once the Display Settings window is open, scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Here, under Display Information, you'll see an option for Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Click that link. This is where you can find all the details about your graphics card. Here, under the Adapter tab, you'll see the name of the graphics card being used by your system. For example, in this case, it's the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. You can also see other information like the amount of memory allocated to your GPU. So, those were different ways to identify the model of your graphics card. Whether you're troubleshooting, upgrading, or just curious, these methods will help you get the information you need. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.